अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय लवलीज, आप सब कैसे हैं? सो वेलकम टू पार्ट 2 ऑफ माय ब्लिंक बाय नादिया हुसैन वो फेस मेकअप पैलेट। अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा जिसमें मैं फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन और फुल डे वेयर टेस्ट कर रही हूँ, तो प्लीज़ अभी जाके वो देखिए, वो आपको आई कार्ड में मिल जाएगा। टू यूज़ द डार्कर शेड, आई एम मिक्सिंग बोथ शेड्स टुडे, क्योंकि कल मैंने एज अ करेक्टर यूज़ किया था, आज मैं वो नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ। So I went in with the dark shade, now I'm going in with the light shade, actually with the same finger, and I'm going to dot it on my face. I think you can see that. I did bring my brush and I do have sponges here too, but if this is going to become a part of my regular routine, then it has to perform as well as my regular foundation does. I like it. Wow, that did not take me long. And it's a pretty good match too. I'm going to use my own concealer today, my regular concealer, because the concealer part was a bit disappointing yesterday. I did not love that part, so the idea is to see how it performs as a foundation and as a cream blush and everything else, but not the concealer. See, these are the regular points where I put my concealer. Then I go and I'm going to clean my hands with a washcloth. What do we think? I'm going to use the powder from the palette, a real quick brush up, once with my under eye brush. I'm going a bit wham! Did not plan it, but it happened. Ah!
What?
ज़्यादा ब्लश ऑन लग गया मुझसे नया क्लाउन.
The best clown I ever know.
Hi John, I love you so much, Naya. You're such a cutie. You're blocked out. Hello. A real depiction of how I do my makeup. This is too much, you guys. This is way too much. अब मुझे यहाँ तो थोड़ी सी फाउंडेशन लगानी पड़ेगी इसको टोन डाउन. नया या मुझे इसको टोन डाउन करने के लिए जरा हैंग ऑन. वी हैव अ पाउडर, डोंट वी? द येलो वन.
This?
So now I'm going around the blush with my powder. For some reason it looks, Naya, wait Puche. For some reason it looks more pink on camera than it does in real life. Don't get me wrong, real life में भी कोई काम नहीं है, but कैमरे में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रेजी हालात हैं इस वक्त. So that's my base done. I did add a little bit of concealer यहाँ पे क्योंकि मुझे बहुत क्लाउनी लग रहा था और ज़रा सा मुझे लग रहा था मेरा कवर भी नहीं हुआ. जो मेरी अपनी वेन्स है, ना मत करो, जो मेरी अपनी वेन्स है वो भी कवर नहीं थी हो रही. I'm just gonna add some kajal mascara, lipstick, and then I'll be out the door. So these are going with me. I only have 10 minutes का काम, but I will be stepping out in the heat. हाँ जी, sweltering heat कहना तो understatement है for what Lahore is doing to us today. अच्छा, इस गर्मी में आपको साथ लेके चलने का पर्पस सिर्फ ये है कि आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकें गर्मी का भी और गर्मी में मेरे मेकअप की परफॉर्मेंस का भी. Basically. That's the purpose of filming in the car, which is something I've never done like this before. Anji, 2 masks are on and let's go. We are back. AC भी अभी मैंने ऑन नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं चाह रही हूँ मास्क मैं आपके साथ ही उतारूँ. And there it is. Oh, the lipstick transferred. The foundation does not seem to have transferred. Pretty impressive, Nadia, I must say. Sorry, mask लगा रही थी मैं. Okay. Let's see. I'll keep you posted. Obviously, घर जाके check in properly. Hello. I'm back home. शोर है पीछे. Cooler on होता है. वो बड़ा शोर मचाता है. So this is what it looks like with the glasses on. It's been only 1 hour since I put it on. To be very fair and honest with you. But मैं बाहर गई थी ना. हाथ शेक करें बड़ी गर्मी थी. ओए हो. सोच आपकी. So this is what it looks like. I'm liking it, you guys. I am really liking it. I wore this at about 1 today and it's almost 1. So it's been on my face for 12 hours. In case you were wondering exactly how well it holds up for an extended period of time. I'm exhausted right now. The day is done. Over. Packed. But I want to film this video. And I still look relatively alright, I would say. To be very honest with you, screen पे ज़रा फिर भी बेहतर हालात हैं. In real life, ज़रा ज़्यादा बुरे हालात हैं. अभी मैंने एक white light on की है because I do want to fix up the situation a little bit. Ooh, that is light. वाला कंसीलर शेड ले रही हूँ just to blur out the lines and the edges. I don't want my concealer to seem like it's a standalone part on my face, like it's not connected to the rest of my face. So I'm just blending the perimeter of the concealer that I've just placed to make it all blend together. Acha, what I'm doing now is I'm just going to go into the crease shade, which I know is not a bronzer, but since they don't have a powder bronzer, I just want to bronze up the face a little bit. ज़रा सी लाइफ आ जाए वापस फेस में. Not going to muck around with blush, cream blushes right now. So I'm going into the eyeshadow, the shimmery eyeshadow, to act as a blush and a highlight. ठीक है ना? That's multitasking 1-on-1 for you ladies. You don't have to use a product only for what it's designed for. I did not love the lipstick yesterday, but let's just do it. You don't love the lipstick still? Do you see the difference? This is right after I've set it with the powder that came in the palette, and this is before setting it. ये शाइन में आप डिफरेंस देख रहे हैं? हॉलोज तो ऑनेस्टली जो सब तक मेरी हैं आंखों के नीचे वो रहेंगी. It's late and I'm tired, which I usually am, guys. Because let's be honest, guys, yes, I'm stepping into the glamorous world of beauty blogging and beauty vlogging and product reviews and whatnot. But the fact of the matter is that I'm a regular mom with 2 very little kids and close to no time whatsoever for myself. So I need makeup products which work. I need preferably most of my makeup products or all of my makeup products in one place, which don't take a lot of fuss, which don't take a lot of time and that do the job the way that they should, you know. So there you have it. I'll put a picture of myself up here. जैसे मैं अभी थोड़ी देर पहले लग रही थी और ये जरा से टचअप के साथ all with the go palette. So more put together. Theoretically मेरी फाउंडेशन थी वो भी इसी की थी सुबह की, लेकिन I just refreshed it and it's very very late and I'm exhausted and tired, but I do think I look much fresher, which is I think the idea, which is I think what this product is about as well. This face powder, the pressed face powder, makes a very big difference because the cream products up here will leave you looking very very glowy. अब या तो आप उसको glowy कह लो to the point of actually जब मैंने इसको पहली दफ़ा यूज़ किया था तो मुझे तो greasy लग रहा था अपना बहुत ज़्यादा, and then when I set it in with the powder तो बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ गया था, बहुत ज़्यादा. So if you can't tell already, I've used this multiple times. I used it twice yesterday. एक दफ़ा दोपहर को लगाया, फिर शाम को ज़रा सा टचअप किया, and I used it twice today. आज तो ये था कि बाकायदा मैंने 1 बजे लगाया, पर अभी 12:15 बजे रात को I touched up my face with it. So it is definitely possible to do a full face. I did not enjoy the I did not enjoy the lip color yesterday. I tried it again today. I don't like the tones of color. I'll tell you why. When you put it on the lips, it does look pretty pearly and cool toned. I personally am not the biggest fan of that kind of look. जहाँ तक आई शेड्स कंसर्न है, तो जो दोनों आई शेड्स दिए हैं नादिया ने, या जो एक आईलेट शेड दिया और एक जो हाईलाइटर दिए, they're both very cool tone shades. They are the right match for me, you can tell. They work fine. So I've worn the palette for 2 whole days now and I can safely say that I enjoy it. I would wear it with my regular liquid concealers because the concealers I had a feeling were not covering as much as I would like them to cover and they were also creasing. इन दोनों का मिक्सचर ही लगाया था कल मैंने, पहले से कलर करेक्ट किया था और फिर इससे मैंने कंसील किया था. एक तो ये प्रॉब्लम कि 2 लेयर्स हो गई जो क्रीम में हो गई. मैं रेगुलर भी जो कंसीलर्स यूज़ करती हूँ उसमें एक डार्कर शेड है, रिलेटिवली डार्कर शेड है, और एक लाइटर शेड है जो इल्यूमिनेट करता है. लेकिन उसमें फिर ये होता है कि आई पुट माई डार्कर शेड हेयर एंड माई लाइटर शेड कम्स यहाँ नीचे करके, और उसमें इट मैनेजेस टू कवर अप. इसमें मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे ज़रा सा बिल्डअप ज़्यादा करना पड़ रहा है और उसमें वो इतना कवर नहीं कर पा रहा जितना मैं चाह रही हूँ. तो जितनी लेयर्स मैंने लगा ली तो ज़रा सी क्रीजिंग हुई. लिसन, I've crossed my 30s, ठीक है, and I'm a busy mom who does not get a lot of sleep, especially now with this. I'll be honest with you, मैं रात को लेट अक्सर जागती हूँ, so I'm tired and it shows on my face. And I do have fine lines under my eyes whether I like them or not, and they're not going anywhere. So I need makeup which will not accentuate the things which are not good. Rather, it will cover up the things which I don't like and it will bring forth the things which I do like in my face. As a concealer जब मैंने इसको यूज़ किया मुझे वो फीलिंग नहीं आई. However, as a foundation जब मैंने यूज़ किया तो it blended like a dream. It literally took me like 3 minutes, I would say, this morning. I was blending with my fingers. I dotted up both the foundations. I'll show you footage. और उसमें फिर ये है कि it just took me a minute, 3 minutes I would say. फिर इसी तरह कंसीलर मैं as is हाथों के साथ ही ब्लेंड करती हूँ, वो मैंने लगाया and I was done. ब्लश ऑन हाथों से मैंने लगाया and I was done. ब्लश ऑन का ये कल चूँकि मैं बहुत स्पेयरिंगली बहुत डर के लगा रही थी, हल्का हल्का थोड़ा थोड़ा करके लगा रही थी, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं लगा. आज मैं शायद ज़रा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो गई, मैंने दोनों ब्लशेस के शेड्स को मिक्स किया और मैंने ज़रा सा ज़्यादा लगाया ना, बैम, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था. But then what I did was that I took a velour puff, आप कह लें, it's my Blendiful. I took that, it's a powder puff basically, and I practically blended it in. थोड़ा सा concealer यहाँ मैंने add किया and then I blended it all in and it was fine. And this blush on has lasted me all day long. लेकिन मुझे हंसी इसलिए आ रही है क्योंकि अभी मैंने उसको टॉप अप किया थोड़ा सा, not with the cream blush but with the eyelid shade. अभी बिल्कुल फिल्मिंग से पहले, but it lasted me long enough. And despite how tired I was looking, you could see my blush. In real life especially, you could see it. And the blush has done a good job. The blush I'm impressed with. The contour did its trick. The contour is easy to blend. It does not spread on your face. I walked out into the heat with it. I went out both days, but the contour did not मेरे पूरे मुंह पे फैला नहीं contour. It stayed where it was supposed to stay, and it added definition to the face, which is I think what it's all about. As far as the eyeshadow shades are concerned, मुझे personally इतने cool tone shades पसंद नहीं हैं. It's not a color story that I would personally gravitate towards. So if I were to have a say, I would advise Nadia to maybe expand and offer more different colors. जैसे ये पिंक है और इसमें जो हाइलाइटर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा सिल्वरी है. If I were to do this, maybe theoretically I would do a copper or bronzed up shades, but that's just my personal opinion. I think if this kicks off, then inshallah theoretically maybe that's something she will venture into. But as a product, it's a good one, you guys. However, there's still a lot to discuss, so let's get into that. बात आ जाती है कंट्रोवर्सी की. कंट्रोवर्सी इस पैलेट के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व थी, और वो क्या इन्वॉल्व थी आई एम श्योर कि आपको इसके बारे में आइडिया होगा, लेकिन मैं फिर भी ब्रीफली टच अप ऑन कर देती हूँ. नबीला ने, एंड नबीला यू गाइज नो शी इज़ वन ऑफ द पायोनियर्स इन पाकिस्तानी मेकअप, not only Pakistani makeup artistry but even in the establishment of her own cosmetics line. और उनकी cosmetics line का नाम है Zero Makeup, जो कि एक फेस पैलेट ऑफर करता है. आई एम वेरी श्योर यू नो ऑफ दिस, बट स्टिल चलो. और when Nadia Hussain launched this palette, then Nabila was not very happy and she was very vocal about it. She told Nadia. Nadia ने इस opportunity को utilize किया. नादिया ने स्क्रीनशॉट्स लिए, नादिया ने अपने सोशल्स पे उसको डाला, एंड इट्स एज एक्सपेक्टेड इट स्प्रेड लाइक फायर. अब मैं पर्सनली उस कंट्रोवर्सी पे इसलिए ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मैंने ज़ीरो मेकअप ट्राई नहीं किया, एंड आई विल बी वेरी फ्रैंक विद यू. ये पैलेट ट्राई करने के बाद मेरा दिल चाह रहा है कि मैं वो भी ट्राई करूँ, बट नॉट वाइल आई एम यूजिंग दिस बिकॉज इट्स वेस्टफुल. इट डजंट मेक सेंस. इसके बाद मे बी आई विल इन्वेस्ट इन वन. आई एम यूजिंग द टर्म इन्वेस्ट इन वन बिकॉज इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. This product is for 3,500 and that product, if I'm not misquoting, is for 59.99. Let me check. So the Zero Makeup Face Palette is for 5,900 rupees. Now the Zero Makeup Face Palette offers you two concealer shades, जिसको मेरा ख्याल है एक को concealer कहते हैं और एक को I think perfector कहते हैं, क्योंकि वही कहते हैं कि आप कंसील करें उसके बाद कंसील के इर्द गिर्द उसको परफेक्ट करें, जिसको आई थिंक आप एज फाउंडेशन भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और उसके अलावा वो एक ब्रश ऑफर करते हैं और एक lip offer करते हैं. Now a person like me obviously would use the lip and cheek interchangeably, as I think anybody would. और उसके अलावा वो obviously pressed powder करते हैं. अब pressed powder के साथ उन्होंने powder puff की, which is between the two my personal tool of preference, but it's alright because you can just throw another powder puff if the product I think is better. The reason why I'm going to be leaning in more towards the Go palette is because it offers you more products for less of a price and it's a good quality product. I will not lie to you, when I started making this video, when I ordered the product, I was not expecting it to be this good. It is a good product and it's a product that I know I will use even after I've filmed this video. I did buy it primarily to film this video, but I know I will be using it because it's a good product. So if you can find a product which offers so many more things at a lower price, I don't understand why one wouldn't go for that if you were to compare the two. But I can't compare the quality of the two because I haven't used Zero Makeup, and honestly it is a line that I do want to try out. It's a product that I do want to try out, and when I do, you'll hear from me. However, what I do have to say about the controversy is, honestly, for somebody नबीला के कैलिबर का या नबीला के स्टेटस का, मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि इस तरह की बात, इस तरह की कंट्रोवर्सी रेज करना ये उन्हें जेब नहीं देता. These are my 2 cents on it. I don't think it was appropriate, क्योंकि देखिए इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स में होता ये है कि एक इंसान सोचता है, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करता है, एग्जीक्यूट करता है, एंड देन अदर ब्रांड्स फॉलो सूट, एंड दैट्स हाउ इनोवेशन लीड्स टुवर्ड्स परफेक्शन, बिकॉज एवरी न्यू प्रोडक्ट एड्स मोर वैरायटी और एड्स मोर क्वालिटी और ब्रिंग्स द प्राइस डाउन which is what makes the market a friendlier place for people like you and me, people who are the consumers. So I, for one, am not complaining, because if it means that I get good quality products for lesser the price, then yes, please keep the competition coming. But इस तरह की बातें, I don't know. क्योंकि in her own right, Nabila is very established, Nadia is very established, and I don't even think it was that much of a competition. And it's not like there were no face palettes in the world before. हाँ, maybe Pakistani brands में शायद ये concept पहली दफ़ा आया है, but there are like a gazillion million face palettes in the international market, जो कि और cream products में तो ये है कि अब you can actually customize your own palettes with a lot of brands who unfortunately don't ship to Pakistan. So yes, I understand Pakistani consumer के लिए शायद यही दो options हैं बज़ाहिर, in plain sight, easily accessible. The way I see the controversy, I think Nadia used it very wisely. She did create a hue and cry on all her socials. It became part of her promotion strategy, which added a lot of hype. When a new product is launched, hype helps creators, guys, obviously. So the hype helped her. To my knowledge, no other launch of Nadia's has managed to gather this much hype. And that was because of the comment that Nabila started. So I don't know if sharing that comment or if making that comment really went into her favor. You know what I'm saying? But it definitely did go into Nadia's favor for sure. So yeah, there's that. For me personally, I think I would have tried this product regardless, because I have had my eyes on Zero Makeup's face palette for a very long time now. I'm not going to lie. I did not want to drop 6,000 rupees on a product that I cannot test out, that I don't know. Chalo, Shade Finder mein ye ki they do help you out, they say that. Lekin 6,000 rupees is a very big price. 6,000, 5,900 jo bhi. Shipping add karke 6,000 ka ho jayega. For me, that's a big price. And not to know if the product performs well, for me, that's too much. Dropping on a product that I'm not sure about. ठीक? Nadia के केस में ये था कि it's almost half the price, a little over half the price, and you get more product. The kind of lifestyle that I have आजकल, the kind of मसरूफियात that I have, it's very convenient for me to have एक palette जिसमें मेरा mostly सब कुछ हो जाएगा. काजल लगाया, मस्कारा लगाया, लिपस्टिक लगाई, out the door. या लिपस्टिक भी उसी से लगा ली when you're in a you rushed for time. So इसलिए it's a good concept if the product performs well. Is case mein, I would say that the product has performed well. Is it the absolutely best base makeup I've ever tried in my entire life? No, but it is definitely amongst the very good ones, or even the best ones. I would count it amongst, I think, my top 3 where I'm standing right now. Obviously, फिर वही बात है कि मार्केट में नए प्रोडक्ट आते रहते हैं, आप नए प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करते हैं तो आपको नई ऑप्शंस मिलती रहती हैं, but it's a good product. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. Absolutely. एक तो product अच्छा है, secondly priced अच्छा है, thirdly packaging अच्छी है, fourth it's a local product, it's a Pakistani brand run by a Pakistani woman, so I don't see why one should not support that, you know. So I'm very happy that it's part of my collection, and I'm looking forward to using it on a regular basis. I will keep you posted, obviously, and you will get to see me using it, inshallah, hopefully a lot more. और खाली ये कन्वीनियंस ही ना कि बैग में फेंका और आपको पता है कि मुंह पे पहले यही लगा हुआ है तो इसी की एक और लेयर, इट्स वेरी बिल्डेबल. आई हैव डन दैट ट्वाइस in 2 days and I plan on doing that more, but it does not, which is something I was expecting, by the way, it does not start looking cakey. Every time I've used it in thin layers and I think it's performed beautifully. चाहे आप रियल लाइफ में देखें या आप ऑन स्क्रीन देखें, इट लुक्स गुड टू मी. जब मैं एडिटिंग करूंगी तब भी देखूंगी इंशाल्लाह हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स, बट फॉर नाउ आई डू थिंक आई गिव इट अ थम्स अप फॉर श्योर. एंड आई थिंक दैट इफ you've been on the fence and if you've been wondering whether or not to invest in it and it's a product that you think you're going to use, then go for it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you could be part of the family. I do want to make more videos and I'd love for you to watch them. Please also do ring the bell so that you don't miss any videos. मुझे बहुत हौसला अफजाई होती है जब मैं देखती हूँ कि लोग वीडियोस देख रहे हैं और इन्जॉय कर रहे हैं, और ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल मुझे बहुत से लोग मैसेज करते हैं, डीएम करते हैं, लेकिन प्लीज़ कमेंट करें. मेरी एक्चुअल यूट्यूब वीडियोस के नीचे कमेंट करें क्योंकि उससे एंगेजमेंट बढ़ती है और उस तरह से यूट्यूब मेरी वीडियोस और लोगों को रेकमेंड करेगा, और आई वुड it really helps me out. So please do like, do share, do subscribe. I can't wait to find my tribe so that people who can relate to my content, truly relate to it and enjoy it, will join the family. Take care of yourself and the people around you. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much for watching.